since household formation. So we have a real issue. Young people are enraged. So it turns every cut, every movement into an opportunistic infection because, quite frankly, they are just pissed off. They look.
What would need to be done to reverse this? What needs to be done, and this is what is going to happen, and it's just a matter of like when, is that they need to have like a universal income. Because
y'all, we talked about this a long time ago. Some of y'all that have been on the channel for a while, we talked about universal income when we were discussing artificial intelligence years ago. I want to say 2-3 years ago. And there was a time where I was heavily showing a lot of videos where, you know, AI was really, the vision was for AI and men and women to work alongside each other, right? So you're working with these different robots and different AI systems. And we're seeing more and more, you know, AI can do that, or the robotics can handle a lot of the things for us. And so that's going to continue, right? And there was this introduction from Elon Musk of universal basic income. And this does seem like the only path forward. It's sad to say, because where does that leave us as humans? You know, I would love to see us humans do things that are creative still and be able to be thinkers and do things and in a utopia, right? AI would do all the hard stuff we don't want to do, and we would be free to do everything we love and enjoy and be able to pursue our passions. The world is not set up for that. So I think the worst of that type of scenario, I don't think anything good about it. Unfortunately, it sounds great. Like, there are a lot of things that sound great on paper, right? A plus B equals C. But you know how people are. You know how people are greedy. You know how folks are. There's a lot of resources in this world, right? The issue is that folks are greedy and they want all of the resources, so they have more power. I just see that ending badly. But anyway, let's continue and listen to Asmongold.
So what's going to happen is that the reason why a lot of young people have economic problems is because the jobs that young people have to build up skills are not available anymore. Like, a lot of those jobs are just simply removed. Like, there's not as many people getting hired at Walmart or getting hired at Target or your local grocery store like H-E-B here. Not to mention like fast food restaurants. And you see a lot of jobs that are kind of like that low education, like not necessarily like zero education, but like just general low education jobs are just simply being automated. And as those jobs get automated, there will be people that fix and work on those robots, but that level of education is much higher than the job that the robots were designed to solve.